Today we've got a 2016 Ford Focus 1.5 TDCi with roughly 58,000 miles on the clock. So we're going to do an air filter change. On this particular model, this is your airbox here, which is quite easily recognisable because it's got the inlet trunking going to the engine where it pulls all the air in. It's got 7mm bolts, and there are 4 of those. 1, 2, there's one tucked down the back there, and another one there. So 7mm socket on a ratchet, or a little gun if you're lazy like me. That's where the socket usually falls off and disappears forever. As you can see, this one hasn't been apart for a while. That's it. So that's a cylindrical shaped filter. It's not too dirty, I've seen a lot worse, but a few bits of debris in there. Good idea to check inside the airbox as well once you've got the air filter out. This one, to be fair, looks pretty clean. So, I mean, if there are any bits in there, hoover them out or blow them out with an airline if you've got an airline handy. Right, the new filter. So it's got a rubber seal in here which slides over the inlet pipe there. Then this end, this lip needs to locate down here. It will push over that and into this groove. I do know these can be a little bit tight to fit in. You do have to give them a shove. That's it. That wasn't too bad. So that's now in place. Pop the lid back on. Hopefully it'll go on easier than it came off. That's it. Just nip up the bolts. Don't have to be too tight because they are only going into plastic. That's it. There's an air filter change.